Reborn as a vending machine. I now wander the dungeon. Let's go. Weird anime.
Where the heck am I? A lake? What am I doing here? I was just... That's right! Oh. Oh no!
What
If I don't do
the?
something, that vending machine's in trouble! I was sure I'd die from a fall like that. But I guess I survived.
You did. No, you did. Hindi na si Truck-kun yung nag-isigay sa kanya. Yung vending machine na nakasakay eh. Good vibes lang tong anime na to.
Well,
Maganda to.
first things first. Wait. Huh? What's going on? Why can't I move? Someone help me, please!
Hello there.
Huh? Did I hear my own voice just now? Okay, calm down.
Thank you very much.
Yup,
What
that's
the
my
fuck?
voice.
I look forward to serving you again.
I recognize this spiel. I've heard those words countless times.
You could even win a reward.
I'm a huge fan of any and all vending machines. Everyone knows they're my passion. I'd never mistake that sound.
No.
Which means, for some reason, I've been turned into a vending machine!
Parang yung that time I got reincarnated as a slime din. Well, parang din naman na most of the isekai na. Ngayon, yung meron pa, that time I got reincarnated as a sword. Pero hindi ko pa napanood yung mga yun. Kaya parang ito yung una. Nauna yung slime. Tapos ito yung kasunod. Yung slime, hindi ko naman ni-record yun eh. Pinanood ko
So,
lang.
I died and have been reborn as a vending machine, huh?
Tingin nyo anong nito. Para magiging team niya. As in, nasa dungeon lang siya. Tas, wait. Kung nasa dungeon siya, tas vending machine siya, anong barya yung ihuhulog sa kanya? Yung gold, silver coins ng ano? Kasi sa ibang isekai may ganun eh, gold and silver coins, di ba?
As if that could happen.
Tickles?
No matter how obsessed I was,
Tinatawag
there's
nila.
no way I could turn into one.
Kakapanood ko lang, hindi ko
Whoa! This is awesome! There's no other way to explain it. I am a vending machine.
What
I'm
do you
fully
mean,
stocked with
Jesus?
reasonably priced goods, and my new rectangular body is the perfect combination of elegance and functionality. Hold on a sec. This can't be happening. Becoming a vending machine is the worst.
Yes!
Or is it?
Iniisip niya, maganda kasi may vending machine siya. Accessible yung drinks or snacks kasi vending machine siya. Pero hindi naman niya makakain yun kasi siya yung vending machine.
Being reborn as the thing I loved. Could this be some sort of gift from the divine?
The
Well,
thing
there's
I
no changing
love,
what I am
vending
now.
machine.
Not sure what it says about me or my fandom that I've just accepted this.
Hello there. Thank you very much. I look forward to serving you again. You could even win a reward. Too bad.
The thing I love. Tapos si vending machine yung Hindi na ako magugulat kung magkaroon ng anime na magiging siya, musical instrument. Tapos pag tinutugtog siya, yung reaction niya yung sa Food Wars. Alam niyo yung sa Food Wars, yung basta, yung bawal niyo panoorin sa public pagka yun yung anime na pinapanood niyo. Reaction nila pagka yung nakakakain ng masarap na pagkain. Ganon yung magiging reaction ng nung pag na-reincarnate as a musical instrument na pag tinutugtog
Please
siya.
insert coins.
Are those phrases all I can say? I wonder what else I can do. You're a vending machine. Focus.
You're a
Become it.
vending machine.
Surely you can operate yourself. This is your body. Understand it. Oh, in my brain. Wait, I don't have a brain. A bunch of text and numbers popped up in my mind. Are these
Parang si Brooke no? Ano nga yung sinasabi niya lagi? I don't have eyes. Parang gano'n yata sabi niya. Hindi ko alam sa Japanese siyempre, yung English na ano niya. Parang gano'n din, eh, yung sa Brain, wala din namang brain si Brook kasi skeleton na siya.
These the goods I have for sale?
Sa One Piece
There
pala yun, sa One Piece yung si Brook yung skeleton. Baka hindi niyo lang napanood, eh.
are only two types.
Inassume
You
na
can use your
nanonood
points
lahat, eh,
to
no?
change your current inventory.
Huh? Really? So I can change what I'm selling? Points, huh? That must
Mineral water, 130 yen. 100 count. May points pagka binibili yun? Okay. Corn soup. Function, keep cold, keep warm.
be what PT stands for.
The money you earn is converted into points. You may
Oh.
spend points to replenish or make changes to your stocked goods, as well as acquire new functions.
That makes
Oh.
sense. I did some
Parang ano
investigating
siya?
on my own. It seems spending points not only lets me keep items hot or cold, it
Magle-level
also
up
lets me do
siya.
things like heat up frozen food and even add hot water to cup ramen on demand. I might as well test out my other functions and check out what kind of items I can sell. Oh, it looks like I have everything I could buy from the vending machines back home.
Corn soup, mineral water, sweet sake, canned oden, milk tea, cold, warm milk tea, cold royal milk tea. Okay.
Let's try spending 10 points to switch one of my items to cold milk tea.
Yum. Parang gusto ko
It
Oh!
worked! Talk about convenient. 100 yen's
Magic.
a good price. It says here I can turn 100 yen into 1 point. All right! Time to see what else I can do. After experimenting a little bit more, I realized one important thing. My new body doesn't run on electricity.
Yeah.
Instead, it seems I consume points to keep myself powered on. I use 1 point an hour, so I need 24 points a day to function,
Okay.
which means I have to sell at least 2,400 yen worth of product every day. I still have nearly 1,000 points.
What the hell? Pagka hindi siya nakabenta ng sa isang araw ng ano, eh di mamamatay siya. What the That's fucked up.
So I can run for about a month.
Well,
But I shouldn't waste any
technically patay
points
na
until I
naman
can
siya
get a
kasi
steady income.
nabagsakan siya ng vending machine.
Will I actually get any customers out here?
Yeah. Oh no! No!
Nobody's come by! All I'm doing is losing points here. If this keeps up, I won't make enough and I'll run out of juice!
Mamatay ka na, boy. Oh,
A frog? But it's almost as big as a person. Plus, it's wearing armor and holding a weapon.
nauuhaw.
You know, I should probably be a little more surprised, but turning into a vending machine kind of one-ups this.
You're weirder than him. What the fuck? You're inanimate object ka dapat eh. Tapos siya nga ano eh. Biological being na naging ano lang. Parang bipedal. Naging humanoid lang yung frog. Siya vending machine. Dapat mas nagulat pa yung frog eh. Pag nakita naman yung mata ka.
Hello there.
Kapal naman ang mukha mong magulat.
Uh,
O, tama
Hi
siya yung
there.
nagulat. Ba't ka nagkasalita, hayop ka?
hold on, stop!
What the fuck?
3. Damage. Durability has been decreased by 3.
Oh,
What's durability?
If your durability is exhausted, the vending machine will break and become unusable.
So it's like hit points in a video.
Parang pusa eh, no? Pagka-curious. Ano to? Sasampalin agad eh.
Okay. How many do I have left?
Nagpapalo.
There it is. These must be my
Oh
stats.
no! Masisira na din
Durability and
siya!
toughness is 0. I suppose a vending machine doesn't need those stats. Wait, magic? Does magic exist in this world?
Yeah.
You can
Of
spend
course,
points in
you're a
order to
vending
restore your
machine.
durability.
That's good. I still have about 900 points left. Maybe I can get through this.
Oh, ala!
This is really bad. I don't want to get hit by that. There has to be some sort of self-defense function in here somewhere. Let's
Bigyan mo sila ng drinks.
pour hot water, transaction fanfare, big winner roulette. I can't use any of these. Come on, there's got to be something I can do to get out of this. Ah!
Yung hot
Due
soup.
damage. Durability has been decreased
Oh,
by 2.
Oh, damn it! I
Four
need help
damage.
here.
Durability has been decreased by 4.
Blessing? What's this?
It's a special power granted by a god. You may acquire a blessing without spending any of your points.
I don't really understand, but it's some sort of magic.
Ba't
right?
lagi may gods sa
Okay,
isekai?
let's do it.
May
Can I
ganun
even
din sa
use
ano,
swordsmanship or
Vampire
martial arts?
Cooking.
Last time I checked, I don't have any arms or legs. There has to be something else.
Barrier.
Barrier.
Deploys an invisible barrier around you. You can designate what objects are allowed through.
Yeah, I picked that one.
Boom. Oh.
You could even win a reward.
Yeah! Behold the invincible vending machine.
Invincible vending
I look
machine.
forward to serving you again.
Huh?
Hmm?
Wait a second. How come I'm
Ah.
losing so many points so quickly? Give it up, guys! All you're doing is wasting your time and my points. Whew, I made it. I might as well get my durability back now.
No. Oh, okay.
There. Good as new. I've got 311 points left. I can still last over 10 days, but unless somebody buys something, my points will dry up and I'll run out of power. But what happens after that? Will I die? What a tragically short
Yeah.
life. Or I suppose a short operating time? Somebody, anybody,
Eh, patay ka na
please
eh.
help me! Oh, it would have been pretty cool to
Wala
sell
pa
at least
din.
one thing before dying.
There's no use trying to hide from me!
What the hell? Ayaw man.
What the? I could have sworn they were around here.
Oh,
Thank goodness. I'm starving. I'm so hungry I can't muster up any strength. Ugh.
I
Why
can
does this
serve
kind of thing
you.
always happen to me? I even dropped my bag with all
I
my
can
food in
serve
it.
you.
It's my fault. I should have listened. My parents were right. I'm not cut out to be a hunter.
What's she talking about?
I have to defeat frog fiends for their meat.
Mm,
For some
yun
reason, my
hinahanap ko.
attacks don't hit when I'm by myself, and I just want to take a nap. Things would be better if I at least had some food.
Ayun.
Wait, what's that? So
I can
weird.
serve
Looks like
you.
some kind of stone monument, but too metally. The shape is
Stone
really
monument,
peculiar
but to
too.
metal.
Are
Metal
those
monument.
drinks behind the glass? There's a
Yeah.
bunch of writing, but I can't read it.
Hello there.
Oh, Japanese.
Wait, what was that voice? Where'd it come from?
Please insert coins.
The box. How is it talking?
How is it
Also, coins?
talking?
It wants money? Would a copper coin work? Maybe it has to be at least silver. What if it needs gold? As if I even had that on me. It said something about inserting the coins.
We're
I guess
broke.
it can't hurt to put in a copper and see what happens.
Yep.
Looks like a copper coin wasn't enough after all.
That is an unsupported currency. If you acquire the coin conversion function, you can accept it.
What? For real? Hold on just one second. Oh, there it is. I can swing 100 points. I didn't increase the prices, but the numbers went up all the same.
Huh? Why did the number change? 1,000 Owa! But that's a whole silver coin.
So this world's unit of currency is called an Owa.
It's expensive, but I need food for my belly.
I'm about to bend!
What?
It lit up. Ooh, does it want me to push
Ano
something?
ba? What?
Wow, there's a picture of soup on here.
It's so weird.
Huh? What was that? Something came out.
The-
It's not gonna chomp down if I reach my hand in, right?
I wouldn't do that. So hurry up and take it. I highly recommend this brand of corn soup.
Oh, it's so warm. Do I twist the top to open it? Oh, it smells good.
Ang galing ngayon ng mga vending machine na gano'n, no? Yun, yung kaya nilang mapa-warm yung ano, yung pagkain. Siyempre nag-originate yata yun talaga sa Japan eh, siyempre. Yung vending machine. Sobrang dami dun ng ano. Pero naranasan ko yun eh dito sa ano, dun sa isang ospital. Ano, yung normal na ano siya, luto siya na adobo yata yun, adobong baboy. Tapos, pagkapindot mo dun sa pinili mo, tapos pwede nga din siyang ano eh, GCash yung bayad eh. Tapos, pagkapili mo, pagkapindot mo, mag-aano na siya dun sa conveyor belt, pupunta na siya dun sa conveyor belt. Tapos titigil muna siya ng ilang minutes, hindi naman ilang minutes, parang mga 1 minute lang yun. Tapos yun pala, parang nandun yung mismong ano niya, pang-microwave siguro yun na ayun, para mag-warm muna yung pagkain bago niya tuluyang ilabas. Nagulat pa ako nung una, sabi ko, pagdaan sa ano, sa conveyor belt, nandun na sa tapat nung kuhanan dapat. Sabi ko, ba't wala pa naman, may bubuksan ba ako dito? Tapos yun pala, nakasulat naman dun sa screen na parang ano, pinapa-warm niya muna. Warming up the food nakalagay, "Please wait," nakalagay ganun. Tapos, ayun, 'di ko agad nakita, nagtataka ako, sabi ko, "Hala, sayang yata yung pera ko, ah." Yun pala yun na ano, lumabas naman na after niya i-warm up yung ano, pagkain. Masarap nga, masarap din.
Wow, what is this? It's so tasty! I wouldn't want Mrs.
Siyempre
to hear this,
normal
but
na
it's
adobo
way better
naman
than
yun,
the
eh.
food I had in town!
Nasa vending
Why do I
machine lang,
feel so
galing, ah.
happy? Helping someone out gives me a sense of satisfaction I haven't felt before.
Mag magkakaroon 'to ng goal na ano, yung parang anime cliche na, "I'm gonna be the best vending machine ever! I'm gonna be the strongest ninja! I'm gonna be the king of the pirates! I'm gonna be the best vending machine ever!"
I drank everything already. I bet the other stuff in there is tasty too. The clear-looking ones are probably water. And I already know what that tastes like, so I'll try out the light brown drink next.
What the heck?
It
Dami mo naman
seems she
pera,
took a
boy.
liking to the milk tea
Kala
as
ko
well.
ba naghihirap
Afterwards,
ka?
she bought 3 more corn soups,
Dami
along with a
binili.
bottle of water. I earned 6 silver coins and 30 coppers for a total of 6,300 owa, which means I got back
Magkano
63
yan?
points!
Nice! May pang ano na siya, 3
A full
days.
stomach must have broken the tension she
hindi.
was holding.
Kulang sa
As soon
3
as she
days.
finished eating,
2
she
and a
fell
half?
asleep. She's a bit of an odd one, but she's my best customer.
Hindi,
Don't
3
worry,
days na.
I'll keep you safe with
Hindi,
my barrier.
ilan ba 3 days? 72?
The
Bobo.
trash cleans itself up! I've got to be the most advanced vending machine in this
Wait, what? 96 pagka 4 days, eh.
other
Pwede
world.
almost 3 days nga. Tama ba? Bobo. Sayang mo na, 3 days yun.
Looks like I fell asleep.
Ay, hindi, 60 plus lang.
Well,
So,
it's a
ano
good
nga
thing no
lang.
monsters showed up.
3 days,
I ended
ay,
up spending a
magti
whole
3 days.
bunch. But I'm feeling a
almost.
lot better now. And it's all
1 and a half,
thanks
ay,
to
2 and a
you.
half na lang.
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you. That's right. I forgot that you can talk.
Sama
Or
mo.
maybe, are you only able to say certain phrases? I actually know someone who's inventing tools that have magical power inside them. I wonder if you're something similar. If you can understand what I'm saying, then I'd like it if you said something. Anything.
Hello there.
Yes, I knew it! I bet Hulamy would be interested in meeting you. Oh, I haven't told you my name yet. You
Yeah.
can call me Lamis.
Lamis, huh?
Siya
Has
makakasama
a nice
niya.
ring to it.
I got it. How's this
Lavis?
sound? Whenever you want to say yes, you can just say hello there, and we'll use a different phrase to mean no.
Too bad.
Okay, is that what you
Too
want to use for
bad.
no then?
Hello there.
Yes,
Hello
huh?
there. Too
Perfect.
bad.
Let's see. Can you tell me your name?
Hindi pa rin siya
That's
nakakapagsalita.
okay. So, what are you doing out here all alone? Are you on some sort of important quest?
Too bad.
I hope I'm
bad.
not being too forward. Are you
Hmm.
lonely by yourself?
Hello there.
Hello there.
I thought
Yes,
that was the
nit-nit.
case.
Ay, hindi kita
For
sa
some
camera
reason,
yung
you
pusa
looked
ko. Umakyat
lonely.
sa akin.
Would it be okay with you if I moved you
Naka-remove
somewhere else?
background kasi.
Hello there.
Background ka daw
That's
nito.
awesome! I was thinking about bringing you back and showing you to Hulamy. I bet the two of you would hit it off right away.
Hello there.
You're cool
Ay.
with it? Great! Give me just a
What?
second. Up we go!
Ah, are you for real? I have to weigh at least 500
Ah.
kilograms!
Whoa, you're heavier than
Ang
you
lakas.
look.
You're heavier than you look. What the fuck? She's strong. Nit-nit. Hmm?
Thank you for saving me!
Kita ka.
Apparently, Lamis has a blessing
ba
called the
dito?
Blessing of Might. I suppose that explains why she's so incredibly strong.
Doon tayo. Hindi pala siya
I'm just gonna
nakakalakad.
take a short break here. I'm starting to get hungry. I wonder if I could buy more of that tasty yellow soup.
Ouch.
The thing is, corn soup isn't all that filling. Oh, what else could I stock? Oh, how about that?
Ayan,
That
Nit.
surprised me.
Kita ka na.
You are glowing. Oh, did you change your items? What is that?
Wow,
blue?
Chip
Hello
Club.
I thought it might
Potato
be.
chips.
It's the same price. Maybe I'll buy some.
Oh, what's this?
Oh,
Shit,
what a
gusto ko
weird
tuloy ng Pringles.
texture. The only thing I can really taste is salt, but I can't stop eating them. Oh, nom, nom, nom. No, I'm gonna
No,
burn
stop it. That's addicting, bro.
my money at this rate.
Ganyan na ganyan talaga sa totoong buhay eh. Nakaka-addict yung
Thanks
potato
to that,
chips eh.
I'm back up to 320 points. Next, I want to try to adjust the price
Ang
of
daming
mineral
pera
water.
nung... Akala ko naghihirap tong babae na to. Wala siyang gold eh.
It'd be great if I could offer it for less, but my life kind of depends on it.
We should reach the entrance of this stratum soon.
Stratum?
After that, we'll take a break in a
Stratum.
nearby village. Hey, I'm back!
Wait, Lamas? You're all right.
Karios and Gorth. Boy, am I glad to see you guys.
Whew. We were worried after your group came back all but dead. Thank goodness you're okay.
Sorry about that.
By the way, what's this thing?
It's a magic tool with its own consciousness that I found near the
Magic tool.
lakeside. Whenever you put money
Magic
in,
tool.
it gives you a tasty item.
Really?
Yeah!
I've never.
A magic tool! Whenever you put money in, it gives you a tasty item. What if yun na yung tawag natin doon sa mga vending machine doon sa ano? Parang ano? Tatawag mo doon sa cashier sa 7-Eleven merchant na whenever you give him money, he gives you a tasty item.
Heard of magic tools being discovered in
Oh.
the Clearflow Lake stratum
That's
before.
it.
Should I have not brought it out?
It's not a problem. You know how things are in the dungeon. Whatever you find lying around in a stratum is yours to keep.
Dungeon? I don't really
Dungeon?
understand what they're talking about. They
Madaming
make it
tao
sound like we're in
doon.
some kind of
Madaming
labyrinth,
bibili sa'yo
but
doon.
there's a sky.
Hey, do you think we could try out your magic item?
Sure, Let
Yeah.
me ask it. Do you mind?
Hello there.
Hello there. Yeah.
Whoa, it talked. Right. You said it had a consciousness. This would fetch a high price.
He's not for sale.
He's
I'm
not
gonna
for
bring him back with
sale.
me so Hulami can take a look at him.
That engineer was a
mine.
magic item fanatic? A silver coin, huh? Pretty pricey. But I'll have one of these.
Please insert coins.
Please insert mo.
Well, I'll be. This stuff's delicious.
Maliit naman.
this one. I wonder
Puro
what this
silver
fried-looking
coin.
thing tastes like. Let me try.
In the end, they bought at least one of every item I had.
Being able to drink both
May
hot and
kitang
cold
kabuhayan
ones on
siya.
demand is great. We aren't allowed to leave our
May
posts.
kitang kabuhayan.
it by now and again?
Sure.
And with that, I tripled my customer base.
Yes! Dami na dyan. Oh, longganisa. Ay, longganisa ba yun? Wait, may longganisa ba sa Japan?
Wait a sec.
Saan niya search natin?
I've had enough of your crying. You're wasting our time here. You're just making things worse for yourself.
Hala, may men. Oh!
What the hell do you think you're doing?
I should ask you the same.
Sinipa
This
sa
looks like
ulo
a
eh.
bunch of nasty-looking thugs are ganging up on a helpless girl.
Bet you think you're some kind of hero, don't you?
Kamukha ni ano.
Teach you to butt in. You got no one but yourself to blame, Missy.
Yes, mamaya. Oh.
We'll let you off easy, but next time you're done.
I look forward to serving you again.
Pinas...
Not again. None of my hits landed. Oh, they didn't hurt you, did they? Are you
No.
alright?
Natakot yung mga ano, no? Ang lakas niya kahit hindi. Yun yung problema niya pala yung accuracy. Pero yung strength nandun na. Nandun na yung strength. Accuracy na.
Yes. All thanks to you.
Takot yung mga ano eh. Baka pag tinamaan, patay eh.
Oh, Mrs. I'm home.
Llamas, you made it back. I was so worried for you.
What
I'm
is
sorry,
that?
Mrs.
Tanong niya, what is that?
Miss, I missed you. Ah!
Oh,
You're alive? I'm not dreaming, am I? You're not. It's really me,
You're
Moonami.
alive.
I was afraid I'd never see you again.
What? Ilang araw na ba siyang wala?
Sorry. When I asked
Ah.
the returning hunters, they said they ran off and left you by yourself. As revenge, I told everyone around town what they did. They won't be able to find work again.
What?
Anyway, what's that? I found it by the lake.
Yeah, anyway, what's
Brought
that?
back another weird artifact. Oh,
Weird
this one's
artifact.
different. He's surprisingly useful, and he helped me out when I was in a bind.
Suspicious yung dalawa sa kanya. Wala nang tiwala eh. Kung ano-ano sigurong iniuwi niya galing sa quest niya ng mga yung mga useless item.
So you're going back to the surface to show it to Hulami? Do you have enough for the transfer circle? Can I borrow some money?
a transfer circle,
Hmm.
huh? Apparently,
Ah,
that's a
may
thing in
bayad
this
yung
world.
magic.
Also, Llamas's lack of funds is kind of my fault.
Sorry about
Na-addict
you. You'll just have
na-addict
to
siya sa
work at our
potato
end to earn
chips.
your fare. How about this? Why don't we keep the box you found outside? It can sell its wares and attract customers.
Hello there.
Hello
It
there.
really can speak.
You really can't speak.
It'll drum up business.
And so, I found
Wait.
myself a new home right in front of the inn. There's a sky, but I soon learned that this was actually a dungeon stratum called Clearflow Lake.
Wait,
I
what?
quickly gained popularity since my goods were
So dungeon siya, pero may sky? Di sobrang laki naman ng world nun. Kung yung dungeon pa lang may sky, may siwalay na sky. Parang ano, yung biggest cave saan yung biggest cave? Vietnam ba yun? Yung may sariling ano, parang may sariling atmosphere, parang gano'n. Wait, tingnan natin. Check natin para ano, makatulog din ako. Biggest cave in the world. Vietnam nga. Sondung Cave in Vietnam, world largest natural cave by volume. Boasting a massive. May sarili, ang alam ko, ayan, may sariling, hindi pala, may sariling atmosphere, no? Climate system, may sarili siyang climate system. Parang tipong ano, di ba cave siya? Walang, syempre, na ano nga, cave nga, nasa loob lang. Pero, ano, nagkakaroon ng clouds yung dun sa loob ng cave. Sa sobrang laki niya, parang naging ano siya, naging may sarili na siyang ecosystem halos yung cave na yan. Sa sobrang laki niya na tas ano pa, hindi pa napapakialaman ng tao na ano lang siya, naiwan lang siya na gano'n. Pero ngayon yata may iba nang bumibisita pero sa sobrang laki niya, alam ko mahirap puntahan yung dulo niya, eh, yung pinakadulo na part nung cave. Parang ilang araw yata yung aanuhin mo, hindi ko sure. Nakalimutan ko na yung nabasa ko, eh.
unlike anything they had seen
Dun sa
before.
ano.
Then, when night
Pero
fell,
wait, eto. Ang sukat niya ay 200 meters high, 160 meters wide, tapos 9 kilometers long. 9 kilometers. Tas cave siya. So, hindi mo
llamas
siya
would carry me over to a
maalalakad
safe
ng
place near the gate.
parang straight lang na ano.
I'm
May
feeling kind
mga
of thirsty, but
bato-batuhan
I'm getting
minsan,
tired
eh.
of this election.
Well, that's because you're buying at least 5 of them every night. I suppose I could switch up my stock. What's my current status? Ooh, after all the business I've been getting recently,
3
looks
to
like
5,
I've
3.
saved up over 3,000 points!
Yes.
Great! What should I add? One should always keep the customer's needs in mind first. I've got just the thing.
Huh, all the items are different. Whoa, this one costs 3 silver coins. But at that price, it has to be good.
Odin.
I gotta try it.
I'm too immature for this. Iba meaning nun sa Pinas ah.
How
Erase,
hot.
erase.
How do you open this thing?
Look, are those pictures? Those must be instructions.
This item became famous in a certain electric town back home, so the manufacturer added meticulous instructions so even tourists could enjoy it.
How?
Oh, it worked.
Sure smells good.
Worm siya.
What? This is amazing.
What?
It might be my new favorite.
What?
What ingredients did they use in this? The flavor in it is so complex yet incredibly light.
Yun yung maganda sa ano eh, no? Yung mga dilata ng ano, Japan. Saka yung mga pre-packaged na food. Yung kung ano yung nandun sa package, yun yung makukuha mo eh. Kahit yung lasa, ano din, masarap din. Kasi parang one time nag-try ako nung ano yung pre-packaged na, ano ba yun? Parang chicken curry something. Curry something siya na ano. Nakalimutan ko yung flavor niya. Pero yun, curry siya. Tapos wala na akong in-add na ano eh, na kahit anong ibang seasoning. Yun na siya. Ano yun yung lasa niya. Masarap na curry. Kaya ano, grabe yung ano siguro doon na yung parang QA nila ng mga pagkain nila. Kasi di ba, doon sa snacks din eh, may batas sila na kailangan kung ano yung nandun sa mismong package na picture, pati yung size, kailangan kasukat siya nung ano, kamukha siya at kasukat nung nandun sa loob na ano. Kaya yun, try nyo bumili ng snacks na ano, ng Japanese snacks. Tapos yung may picture sa labas na sa package, may picture sa package na kung ano yung laman niya. Halimbawa, ano, chips ganun or ano bang pinakamaganda? Chocolate na ano, chocolate na snacks, yung mga bilog, mga ganun. Tas isukat nyo yung laman dun sa nasa package na picture. Yun na yun yung size niya, pati yung itsura. Ba't yun naghahabulan?
I want alcohol
Mga
now.
pusa
Good
ko
job,
nagkahabulan eh.
Hold on. I was gonna buy something
They're
else.
totally hooked!
Hurry up then,
I got
I'm
plenty
hungry.
more where that came from!
Tapos na.
My goods only got more
Tapos na.
popular. Word soon got around about the canned Odin, which caused a bit of an uproar in the village.
Wait,
I think the weather getting cold
hindi niya pwedeng i-convert yung points to money. Kasi, di ba yung money na hinuhulog sa kanya, na-convert niya into points para mabuhay siya, saka para magpalit ng mga item ng stock, saka para makakuha ng mga panibagong function, di ba? Pero bawal niya i-convert ulit into money para mabigyan niya naman yung ano, yung nagdala sa kanya na babae. Kasi mukhang hindi naman sila mayaman eh. Ayun, nahingi nga siya ulit ng ano eh. Rebecca! Hala. Wait, nabuksan ni Rebecca yung printer. Napindot na ng pusa ko yung ano, yung photocopy siguro. Tapos yung i-voucher dun sa loob ng scanner. Voucher yata to ng Popeyes. Sobrang likot ba? Kaya pala siya tumakbo. Pagpunta niya doon sa printer, natapakan niya yung ano, yung photocopy, naka-on siya. Pagtapak niya doon sa ano, nagulat siguro siya kasi biglang tutunog yun, di ba? Yung gaganon muna yung gears niya bago mag-print. Nagulat, tumakbo po na dito. Akala ko kung bakit. Hihiga siguro dapat doon sa printer kasi doon na nahiga minsan yun eh. Napindot niya. Sige, tutuloy ko na patapos na.
lately might have helped sales too. What's more, the sports drink I added to my stock was also selling. I don't sell canned Odin during the day. That's when the restaurant does most of its business, and I don't want to step on any toes. Instead, I help attract guests.
Galing. Si Princess
Isn't this
Morbox.
the girl Lana saved in the alley the other?
Kilala niyo si Princess Morbox, yung ano, yung sa Powerpuff Girls, yung naiinggit sa Powerpuff Girls.
Day?
Excuse me?
Hello there.
Oo, ano?
I wanted to talk first so I'd have the advantage in negotiations.
What?
What? Stop that! What was that about?
What?
When the sun starts to set,
Ah!
Lannis carries me over to the gate.
Ginawan niya
She
ng
said
ano.
moving me around like before was
Backpack.
inconvenient, so she bought a wooden frame that she could put on her back.
Yeah! Talino.
I'm about to burst.
I'll be heading back now. A guest came by the inn today and told me tons of interesting stories.
Hello there.
How are things on your side?
You could even win a reward.
Did you have fun today?
Hello there.
I hope someday you and I can have a real conversation.
Ah.
That's one of the reasons I want to hurry and save up so we can go see Hulami.
Thank you very much.
You don't have to thank me. Don't forget it. You were the one who saved me, Boxo.
Boxo?
Boxo!
Weird to keep calling you you. What do you
Boxo.
think?
You win.
Glad you like it. Here's to the future,
Boxo.
Waking up as a vending machine in
Boxo.
another world is as ridiculous as can be. But for some reason, I'm starting to think this wouldn't be such a bad life after all.
Boxo.
Thank you very much. I look
The
forward
King
to serving you
Frog
again.
Fiend appears. Ayun lang. Yun na yun.